Here I have POCO C50 and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the additional settings and go to the accessibility, switch to the vision section and then go to the Talkback. So here you can enable Talkback. After that, Talkback tutorial starts.
Media volume control shown. Welcome to Talkback. Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. You can turn Talkback on or off by holding both volume keys for several seconds. When Talkback is on, the focused item on the screen is spoken out loud. Swiping right will move to the next item, and swiping left will move to the previous.
So like
Close button. Double tap
so
to activate.
as you could hear, Talkback has a mode meant for people who are blind or have some like vision problems and have difficulties seeing the text on the screen. So like where you tap with your finger on the screen, this text will be spoken out loud, and that's how it works. So for example, I tap close and it says close button. Double tap to activate, and then after you choose it, you can double tap anywhere on the screen and it will be like confirmed. So you select close, double tap. So if you want to turn it off, you can press and hold volume and volume plus and volume volume up and volume down for 3 seconds, or you can just like double tap here, stop,
Talkback off.
and that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.